Enhance shine and manageability. Finesse Restore Plus Strengthen Normal Conditioner leaves your hair looking shinier, softer, and silkier. This conditioner delivers more manageable hair that's easier to brush, comb and style. Now with a hair-reviving boost of Camellia Oil and active proteins. Revives hair with a beauty boost of Camellia Oil, rich in omega-9 fatty acids, vitamins and antioxidants, plus active proteins, soy, silk, and keratin, the building block of hair. For hair that's healthier, stronger, more alive. Effectively revitalizes dry hair, damaged hair, dull hair, difficult hair or frizzy hair. Finesse products help transform hair so it looks and feels more alive. Finesse Hair Care for Women. Men. Do you want healthy hair, silky hair, moisturized hair, or soft hair? Finesse products will help you improve the look and feel of your hair, while leaving it smelling fresh and clean with our signature fresh scent. Self-adjusting for consistently beautiful hair. Add silkiness, softness, shine. For normal, healthy hair. Promotes no buildup. Top reviews from the United States. Great product at a reasonable price. When the drugstores stop carrying Finesse or they are out, where do you turn? Amazon. No wonder brick and mortar stores are suffering.